Before you ask why I'm opening it again, I've turned it around so the screen faces this direction. So the styrofoam is empty. This TV came directly from Sony, so I'm pretty surprised that they don't use the straps you usually see on these TVs. A few years ago, I bought myself a device to install these straps on larger packages for TVs if I'm selling a TV or returning a TV. And yeah, they just used regular tape on the bottom, which is pretty dangerous in my opinion. So yeah, and those devices to strap on or use these plastic straps around the package are not that expensive in my opinion. So, and especially since the TV is from Sony, so yeah, not sure why they haven't done this, because that's pretty dangerous in my opinion. Something I noticed in other unboxing videos, unfortunately, just like some LG TVs, the Bravia 9, I don't know if you can see it from here, has a power cable that's attached to the TV, unfortunately. So yeah, but otherwise looks pretty solid so far. There's actually one plate more even. Oh, and even more. A lot of surprises here. Now this flap should come off, but it doesn't. Yes, now. Okay. I found another surprise bag, by the way. The second remote and a power cable. I've laid the TV down on the styrofoam parts of the packaging, and normally you shouldn't do this, but I'm alone, so I have no other choice. Now I'm trying to install the feeds. Okay, here is the fixed power cable, yeah, with a extender basically, and you have two positions to mount the feet. The outside, which looks in my opinion more elegant, but that's too wide for my TV stand. So yeah, and interestingly enough, the feet, as you can see, full metal of course, is or just fits or just clears the floor if you use the styrofoam parts as a to lay it down. So yeah, I have to fix these screws and then I can lift the TV up. I think it's kind of crazy that you attach the stand of a 60 kilo TV with these small screws. Pretty crazy. Because like this 58 Bravia 9 is basically the heaviest TV I've ever had. So yeah. By the way, the Visa pattern is very low on this TV and it's 400 by 400. Yeah, but yeah, I'm thinking about getting a different stand for this TV, and it's a bit problematic if the Visa mount is this low, but yeah. Okay, I successfully lifted it up. This was definitely a two-man job. Don't do this alone. And here's the styrofoam I laid it on. Worked out pretty good. Now let's remove all the covers here. Do it here first. Woohoo! Okay. Yeah. By the way, the Bravia 9 does not have a screen protector. As you can see, Sony added this label here. Yeah, there's nothing to peel off here. That's just the viewing angle layer, because I saw few reviews online where they where people try to pull off the viewing angle layer and basically destroy the TV. So yeah, no, again, nothing to pull off. Okay. As soon as I plug the cable in, it turned on.
Zum Einschalten der Talkback-Sprachaus.